to my channel. Now today I'm doing something a little bit different. I've never even shown my face on my channel before, so this kind of scares me, but I got a really exciting delivery and I wanted to share it with you guys. After doing a lot of research and watching so many YouTube videos, I got the Cricut Maker for my birthday and brought all the little goodies to go along with it. So I thought I'd do a video, a little unboxing to show you everything that you get inside and all the essentials that you should buy with it. I've done the research, so you don't have to do it, and I hope at least someone can find some use out of this, because these were the sort of videos that I was looking for when I was researching, so I hope that this can give you some information and show you what you really get. Alright, let's get into it. I'm so excited to finally open it all up. So it all came in 2 separate boxes. The Cricut came separately and it is so much bigger than I thought. Let me show you. It's very big and heavy, but let's open it up. So it comes all neatly in the box, and this is at the top. So it says, let's get started. Alright, so in this little box, you get materials for your first project. You get the blade and something that says open me first. So in this open me first package, we've got a few different cards. And I think this is the instructions of how to set it all up. So you've got 1, unleash the beauty. So plug it in. Number 2, get connected. So that's when you would go to the website and set it up. And then number 3, make something. So, which is really good, I think. You get these little practice materials so you can try it out yourself, and they kind of take you step by step through your very first design. And then number 4, bookmark this page. Cool. So in the materials envelope, it's basically just 2 little bits of paper that I'm assuming you would use to make something later on. And then of course the instruction manual as well. And then we get to the actual machine. And here she is. It is a lot heavier than I expected. So here it is. I got the champagne colour. It is all wrapped in plastic, so it is nice and secure and not scratched on the journey. And then at the bottom of the box are a few cords to plug it in. Now before I open the actual Cricut, I wanted to show you the big box of stuff that I got to go with it. So I did a massive order from Spotlight, and I guess these were the sort of things that when I watched all the different YouTube videos and read up on what to buy, these were some of the standout things that people said were essential to get. And now just to let you know, what I'm hoping to make with the Cricut is print and cut stickers, cards, and also vinyls. So the materials I got are for those things in particular. So number 1 that everybody said was essential was the essential toolkit. So I got all of this from Spotlight, and this one's really great because you get all the different tools. So let's open it. So we've got inside the portable trimmer, which I think will be really handy. Then we've got scissors. So then we've got tweezers. We've got a spatula, which will help to lift the images off the mat. We've got a weeder, which will help also remove from like tiny cuts and things. We've got a little scraper, and then we've got this scorer. Then we've got a replacement blade for that trimmer cutter, and also a trimmer scoring blade as well. So that's everything in the essentials tool set, and I think all of those will be really valuable. Then, the number 1 thing you need to make print and cut stickers, vinyl. Printable vinyl. Clear adhesive that I can put in my printer, print the stickers on, and then put it through the Cricut. So I got 2 different packs of those. Then one thing that a lot of people said in their videos was to get an extra large scraper. I know we've got a little one in the tool set, but most people said it was really valuable to get the extra large one, as it just made life a lot easier for them. So yeah, I think this will be really helpful, you know, if you cut out stickers, to like peel them off the mat, or even to make sure things are stuck down. If you're putting like clear contact over the top of your sticker and stuff like that, I think this will be really valuable for that. Then a few people that I watched said also to get a brayer. This is to basically roll down things to make sure they're stuck down well before you put it into the Cricut. So yeah, I think I'll get a lot of use in this, especially with my sticker making. But obviously you can use a brayer for a number of things. Like on here it does say it's good for ink pads and stuff like that. But yeah, I think I'll be mainly using it for my stickers. Then one really cool thing that Cricuts can do is also draw with pens. So I did pick up 2 packets of different pens. This one is 1mm and this one is 0.4. So I've got a bit of a variety there and I'm excited to play around with those and see what I can create. And then I've got 2 different packets of transfer tape. So if you want to create a vinyl or a label, obviously you will need this tape to help transfer it from the mat onto the surface that you want to put it on. If you want to see more about how to use these, then subscribe and keep following for more, as I will make videos like that later on for sure. Or I am sure I will be posting also this sort of thing on my Instagram at Handmade by Jess Lee. And then the last thing that I got was a bunch of different vinyls, so different colours, different types to create labels, or I think there's such a wide range of things you can do with the Cricut and do with vinyls. You could, you know, make a personalised drink bottle, you could clean out your pantry and make pantry labels, or I really want to make mirror stickers and things like that. So yeah, the possibilities are kind of endless. So I did pick up a lot of different types of that. So we've got the silver one, then we've got the classic in black, then we've got another black one, but this is premium vinyl that actually shimmers, which I think is really cool. Then we've got some permanent vinyl in white. Then I'm quite excited by this one. It's kind of like a rose gold colour, which is really nice. And then another permanent vinyl in black. And then I thought this was a really, really cool pack. It was basically premium vinyl, but you get, if you can see here, you get all different colours, which I think is a great pack to get when you're starting out. So you can try all different colours. So yeah, that one was really good as well. And that's basically everything that I brought. Obviously you don't need all of these things, but like I said before, I kind of did the research and found the things that were going to be best for me and what I want to do with the Cricut. I also forgot to show in the Cricut box was also the mat. They were kind of hiding at the back. They're actually a bit bent, which is a bit interesting. But you get the 2 different colours, which are basically, the different colours, if you didn't know, are basically different like grip strength. So this one is a light grip and then the pink one is like more for like a fabric grip. And so yeah, that's basically everything that I got to go with my Cricut Maker. I'm really excited to start using it, and if you do want to see what I create or even want to know how to make things with a Cricut, then please subscribe, because I will be posting some of that content and also be sharing it on my Instagram at Handmade by Jess Lee. If you did find this video helpful, please give it a like, as it really supports me. And if you want to see more videos in this style, then let me know as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Thanks guys, bye!